Debutify is a free theme with a wide range of premium features that I can guarantee is on your list of must haves when it comes to building your Shopify store. This theme is really set apart from the popular free themes that are available in the Shopify theme store. The key difference is it's built with your customers in mind without leaving you, the owner, out of the equation. The hardest thing for new Shopify store owners is to get past the building of the store, especially ones who have no design experience or website building. Because they feel like they lack the knowledge to build a store from scratch, this is usually very overwhelming for them. And most aspiring Shopify store owners or e commerce store owners can't get past the theme building, so they never actually launch their store. Well, Debutify handled it wonderfully. It took all the features that you wanted, such as sales pop, Instagram feed, delivery time widgets, upsells. They are all created with the theme in mind. So the people who made the theme are the people who made the apps. So you don't have to figure out how to add in a third party app. It also saves you a lot of time and a lot of resources and a lot of money to have these apps automatically come with this theme. Most times when you add in third-party apps to your website, there's a issue with the site speed. Most times it goes down tremendously. It becomes a horrible experience for your users because the website is so slow. It does not load properly. Other times, one app may cost you $29 a month to have in your store. And then if you do not know how to actually add it to your store, the coding, then you either have to hire somebody or go through their support to figure out how to get that installed and running in your store. So you don't even have it available to you. You still have to do the research for it. You still have to figure out what works best with your theme and go through the trial and error of it. With Debutify, it's completed for you. With over 22 different premium features that you can add in, you don't have to worry about it. That's something that can be taken care of with a click of a button now. So that is definitely another feature of Debutify that I absolutely fell in love with. And being a Shopify store owner and a Shopify expert for 4 years now, building themes is not something that comes easy. It's something that puts a lot of work into it, and they really did this beautifully. They took a lot of the issues that you see on Shopify stores and they made it better. Even with their product pages, you have the filters that are really prominent. You be able to have the sort by. It's there, it's in your eye view. It has the different variations underneath each photo. That sales badge is right there. We have the sales pop on the end on the left hand side over here. We have all of these features that are already in here where you can have your customer come in, view these products, pick their variations. As the variations change, so do the product photos. So the experience is seamless. You're able to go ahead, click into the actual product and flip through even more. You get to add your videos, you get to add multiple thumbnail photos, you have the reviews here, you have extra details. All of these things are inputted to this to where you can easily add to your store without any issues. Customer experience is one of the top things that needs to be addressed when building out a Shopify store. Now, I will say that all of the features that you see across the board, the menus, the changing, the moving buttons, a lot of these things you can still have the store and not have to go through with everything. You can add add-ons as you like. You can see what works for your customers, what doesn't, what gets them to convert, what doesn't. Depending on your niche, depending on who you're selling to, those avatars, you're able to really customize this store for your audience, and it's already optimized for those conversions. So you don't have to worry about if you have your homepage structured correctly. You don't have to worry about if you have your product set, if you have the right footer information. You want to add a guarantee. All of that is inputted with the Debutify theme beautifully. It is a really well made theme. I even did, for my own sanity, did a page speed test and it did not change. My site was loading up in maybe 2 to 3 seconds. And that's with huge photos. I just went in and threw some content in my course that takes you through building your Shopify from start to finish in an hour with this theme. Is something that I was really excited to try out, and it was really great for it. Personally, I recommend Debutify for any Shopify store owner, any type of store, an niche store, a drop shipping store, any of those. It really does not matter what industry you have. It is perfect across the board. It can be customized, and it's definitely a great starting point for anybody looking to quickly get started with building their own Shopify store, launching and selling before that 14-day trial is over with. And even existing store owners, adding this to your Shopify store and adding those little those logos, the color schemes, those branded assets, putting those in, you're able to go ahead and switch out your current theme in seconds. It's done. So make sure you check out the Debutify theme. And if you are looking to launch your Shopify store, finally get started and completing that, make sure you check out my newest course, Creating and Launching Your Shopify Store in 1 Hour with Debutify. Till next time.